Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I have this 4K game stick Lite. Let's open it and test it together. Open the box. You'll find this paper. Here is the device. You will plug it directly to your TV. HDMI port. This one is for the controller. Plug it in the back. You find HDMI extender cable. Plug this one here and other side to your TV. And here which is the power cable. Note that this cable is for charging only. You cannot transfer data or games with this cable. To transfer games you need second cable. Any data Android cable will work fine, like this one, the white one. You need to buy it separately. And here it is the joystick. There is two joysticks. To turn on the joystick, you need to plug in device, turn it on, then turn the joystick on. Like this, it will connect automatically. If you keep it this way without touching any button, it will go to saving mode. To turn it on again, you should click on the mode button, so it will reconnect without the need of turning it off and on again. Buy this game stick from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. There is two types, 64GB and 32GB. I am not sure what's the difference, but I guess the 32GB one have more storage than the 64GB. For me personally, I have the 64GB, but the real size of the memory card is 16GB only. Now to add games. First, there is two methods to add games. The first one is with the data cable. Plug the data cable in the charging port, and the second to your PC. Plug it to your PC. It will show up on your PC 1GB of storage. You can transfer games there. If you want to modify the installed games or added multiple games, you need to take off the SD card and flash it again. Every device have its own software version. To know your software version, there is two methods. First one is to open up the device and check your motherboard type. Search for similar motherboards on the internet and download the right firmware. This is my motherboard, V800 firmware. Now let's plug it to your TV and check the firmware. Or let's first add some games before turning it on. Plug the data cable on the back and this side to your computer. Let's go. Plug the cable. Wait a little bit. The disk of 1GB will show up. Here you can add your games. Just drop the game file and the PNG picture of the game. An example. For example, we have this game. It's .emg file. Sometimes it's .bin or zip file for some emulators. And this is the picture of the game. It should have the same name and in PNG. If your picture is not on PNG, click edit and save it as PNG. Copy your game and its picture here. You can, if you don't want to put a picture, it's okay. The game will show up without a picture. Let's put it on TV and see the difference. You will need 2 batteries. They are not included. 2 small AAA batteries. Now, after we know our version, we can search online and download the right firmware, the original one or modified one to add the games. So you download your firmware file, you find it like this one. Let's try and add some games. We need to translate to English. Some websites are in Russian. First of all, you will need to mount your image file. You should use a program called virtual disk driver. Select your image file. Also, there is 16 gigabyte and 64 gigabyte versions. Choose the right one. This new disk is our image file. Go to rooms. Here you can add your games. After you finish adding games, you will need to update the database. Now, if you lost your firmware or your SD card gets broken, here it is how you can flash a new memory card. use USB image tool. Choose the drive, click restore, and choose your original ISO file. I will put the links in the description. That's all, guys. Enjoy playing. Goodbye.